Juliet, you get the best recipe. Juliet, you get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones, subscribe.
Good day everyone, good day wherever you are. Today we are making spinach banana lemon smoothie. Okay, before we start, I want to appreciate everyone. Thank you all my subscribers, my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all. My new ones, you guys are amazing. I appreciate you too. Thank you for coming. Oh, my viewers, I love you all. I thank you everyone for your support. Thank you very much, because I can't take that for granted. Thank you for your support. Okay, let's start. We have banana. Banana is very good for the health. Banana is a source of vitamin C. It boosts your immune system. It's good for your heart. Banana is very good. Banana is very healthy. We have spinach too, and spinach is very good for the health. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. Eating spinach may benefit eye health. It reduces stress and reduce blood pressure. You see, spinach is very good. We have lemon too. Lemon also is very good. Lemon improves your digestion, fight infection, help weight loss. Now I'm going to add the banana inside, okay? And you add the spinach. Let me just put it inside. Okay, let me remove this and add it together. This is the lemon juice. Let me add the lemon juice. Okay. Okay, let me add the honey. Okay. Let me add a little more. Okay. Try and add clean water. I'm going to use my clean water, okay? Now, add your clean water. Okay. And you add your ice cube. Okay. I'm going to add my ice cube. Try this, my beautiful ones. You guys will enjoy it. It's very good for the health. Now I'm going to cover it to blend. Okay. Now I'm going to blend, okay? As you can see, our spinach banana smoothie is ready. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you. Oh, God bless you. Try this for your family, okay? And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Share my video to your friends and family, and like my video. Bye.
Juliet, you get the best recipe. Juliet, you get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones, subscribe.